In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image carousel in Squarespace with anchor links for the year 2025. Whether you're sprucing up your online portfolio, showcasing products in a boutique, or highlighting services, a dynamic image carousel can immediately grab attention and enhance user engagement. Today, I'm here to guide you smoothly through the process, ensuring that what might initially seem complex becomes simple and intuitive. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log in to Squarespace. Head over to the Squarespace website, and if you haven't already, enter your credentials on the login page. Remember, keeping your login information secure is crucial, so consider enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't done so yet. You'll now be greeted by the account dashboard, your command center where you can manage all your Squarespace endeavors. On your account dashboard, you'll find a list of the websites associated with your account. Select the specific website where you'd like to display your image carousel. By clicking on your chosen site, you enter the editing environment, which allows you to make various enhancements and customizations. Once in the editing interface, it's time to add a new section to your website. This is where you'll incorporate the image carousel. Look for the option to add section. When you click this, you'll see a variety of layouts to choose from. Focus on selecting a section that features a gallery view. This will be your starting point for creating an appealing image display. Galleries are a fantastic way to organize images in a visually appealing manner, making them ideal for an image carousel setup. Now it's time to fine-tune your image display. Once your gallery section is added, navigate to the gallery type settings. Here, change the gallery type to slideshow reel. This specific type will transform your static images into a dynamic carousel, making it more interactive. Also, remember to keep your images high quality and optimize for the web to ensure that your site runs smoothly and all visuals are crisp. Crafting your image carousel in this way allows for a captivating and professional look. Once you've made your changes, preview them to ensure everything is working as planned. A working carousel is only beneficial if it's user-friendly and visually engaging. Remember, a seamless user experience is key. That's it. You've successfully added an image carousel, complete with anchor links to your Squarespace site. This simple addition will not only heighten the aesthetic appeal of your webpage, but also create a more interactive platform for your viewers to explore. As always, don't hesitate to revisit any of these steps if adjustments are needed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next tutorial where we'll continue to explore more tools to elevate your Squarespace experience. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Happy creating!